guys. Ooh, am I focused? Alright, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Danny, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the car seat and the stroller. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick the type of car seat and the type of stroller that I got. So yeah, I got the UPPAbaby Mesa, and this is the car seat. And then for the stroller, I got the UPPAbaby Cruz. UPPAbaby Cruz. So if you are interested in watching me unbox our baby stroller and our car chair, just stay tuned and keep on watching. Scissors. Let's see if I get this open with one hand. And this. I'm botching this whole thing. Alright. I'm putting the camera down because this box is too big for me. Guess I didn't get all of it. Let's see. Let's everything out the corners. What is this? Alright, and let's get rid of the box. Alright, so this is the chair. Another one, obviously. So this is the UPPAbaby Mesa in the color Jake, and it's compatible with the UPPAbaby Vista, the UPPAbaby Cruz, and if you buy attachment, I'm pretty sure there's other strollers that you can attach this to, so it doesn't have to be a UPPAbaby brand as long as you have those extra attachments, which they also sell at the store. We was able to find this seat in UPPAbaby, but I'm pretty sure you can find it or order it online at UPPAbaby.com. It's really easy to function, especially for first-time moms or even dads that are by themselves. So for this handle, you have two buttons on each side, and it goes all the way back and forth like that. It has a button right here, so when it's attached to the stroller, all you have to do is press the button down and it detaches from the stroller. And it also comes with the car base, which is really good because you don't have to buy this separate unless you have two cars, for example, like we do. We will have to buy an extra base, but if you don't, if you just have one car, it comes with the base, so you don't have to buy it separately, because I know that's around $150 for an extra base. And there's a button in the back to help you release it, and it's out. So everything about this car seat is pretty much accessible, especially to me. You can pretty much do everything with one hand, and it only weighs about 10 to 15 pounds. So for a new baby, that's maybe, I don't know how much my baby's gonna weigh yet, but newborn babies usually range from 6 to 8 pounds the most. So it's still going to be under 20 pounds. Again, you know, I'm not Popeye the Sailor Man here. I'm not eating my spinach all that great. So I don't got that much upper body strength. But something under 20 pounds for a small frame, a small figure like me who doesn't have a lot of upper body strength, this is going to be something very good to have by your side. Again, this is something for our liking. It fits my lifestyle, it fits our lifestyle, and the price also fits our lifestyle. So again, if you're looking into getting a car seat, do your research and see what is good for you, price wise and lifestyle wise. So the price range for this car seat is between $300 and $350. The price range is because they have different fabrics for the car seat chair. So if you saw somebody that doesn't really care about the fabric, you can buy the lower end version of the car seat. And if you're somebody that cares about what kind of fabric it is, if it's flammable or not, then obviously that's gonna add on to the price point. This video is not sponsored by UPPAbaby, nor is it sponsored by Snapple. But if either of you companies would like to sponsor me, I am totally open. So here is the stroller, which is the UPPAbaby Cruz. You know, we had to get it because it was the Cruz. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna need some assistance taking this bad boy out because I don't got the energy nor the strength. Alright, so what is this? So this comes with a bunch of paperwork for the Cruz, some informative stuff, and here is the stroller. And then the box just comes with all types of stuff. Oh, what's that? We gotta see what's in there. Unboxing. Oh, here are the wheels. So it comes with the wheels, and this is the belt that goes across. So let's see if we can build this real quick. And this is how it comes straight out the box without the wheels on it. So those were the wheels, and so this is the wheel. I don't know if you guys, but I know some people like to you know about the wheels. Oh, and that is super easy. Let's see. Boom, there, it's done. It's done. Oh, you see what I'm talking about. You can easily do this. That's yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys could tell, I am in the baby's room. We're still working on it, so I'm not really showing it off too much. So that's probably why you see the bed. That's pretty much still undone, but you know, it's a work in progress. But this is the UPPAbaby Cruz in the color Wave Jordan. So it's just a gray wash. It's considered a modular stroller, meaning it grows with your baby. So it goes from infant to toddler. What's cool about it is you could detach the seat and turn it around facing you. And there is a button in the back of the stroller chair that helps you recline the chair up and down. So if your girl or your boy is sleeping, you can have the chair recline downward and it'll be more comfortable for the baby. But yeah, this is the UPPAbaby stroller, the UPPAbaby Cruz stroller. It has a really large station on the bottom, which is pretty cool because, you know, you could throw your Gucci bag, you could throw your Louis bag, and you could throw your Walmart bags in there all at once. And what I like about it a lot is that it has these little cup holder, and it has those little stations there if you want to put something of that nature in there. And it has a peekaboo So this is a magnetic peekaboo, so you can see your baby there. Another cool thing about this stroller is that the handle actually extends. So for all you tall women out there or short men out there, you are covered. This is what the car chair looks like on the stroller. Alright guys, and one more thing I wanted to mention to you too is the stroller also comes with the rain cover that you can just throw on it when it's raining. Obviously it's a rain cover, and with like a mesh cover as well to prevent like mosquitoes and stuff. Let's say you're at a park with your baby and you have the baby in the stroller, you can cover her up so bugs and mosquitoes don't get to your baby. I'm gonna link down below in the description the UPPAbaby Cruz and the Mesa car chair seat from UPPAbaby, because that's where I got it from. That's where we got it from. So if you guys want to look at their website and stuff and see what they got going on, see if this is a stroller that you might want to get in the future. So like I said, again, I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of hearing that this is the UPPAbaby, but that was my stroller unboxing. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.